Hello Copperfield customers, this is Will coming at you, your partner in the business, sharing with you a chimney liner kit. Now your chimney liner kit will of course come with the liner of your choice, the diameter and the length of your choice. It will come to you, in this case, would be a T kit. So this would have a cap, a top plate, T, and T cap. What's also unique is that you can customize your kit. Perhaps, let's say you want a cap without a screen, no problem. Or maybe you want a top plate that's a terracotta top plate, or perhaps a larger base on your top plate, no problem at all. There's also, you can get a kit called an Appliance Connector Kit. So it wouldn't have the T, but it would have appliance connector. So there's another way you can order your chimney liner kit. Another thing that's unique is that all these parts will come in one box. So that'll help you naturally organize your storage place so that you know that all the parts you need for that chimney liner job is all in one box. A great way to order all the parts for your next chimney liner job.